Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, I am Chaudhary and I am an entrepreneur and master from France. So today we are going to learn about the different types of shops that are available in France. So this video is going to be really helpful for those who are beginners in French, or even it is going to help those people who are planning to have a short 7-day trip in France. So stay tuned for the whole video, guys. So the first thing is how to say the shops in French. Les magasins. Les magasins. It is masculine singular, by the way. So I would say le magasin. Le magasin. Okay. So we are going to move ahead now. Different shops. For example, the first one we are all excited about when we plan for a trip to France, which is how to say the bakery in French. La boulangerie. La boulangerie. So you can see bakery is feminine. So you just have to remember, we have to use la article. La boulangerie. À la boulangerie, on peut acheter beaucoup de choses comme le croissant ou le pain au chocolat, le pain, etc. The second thing is la boucherie. La boucherie. The butcher shop. Je vais à la boucherie pour acheter la viande. La viande, guys. La viande means the meat. Moving on to the next one, which is very useful for everyday necessities. L'épicerie. L'épicerie, which means grocery shop, small grocery stores. But when you go to a supermarket, that supermarket is called le supermarché. Le supermarché. Je fais les courses au supermarché. I do the grocery shopping in the supermarket. Je fais les courses. This is a very important expression, guys, which means I do shopping or I do grocery shopping, to be honest. So, je fais les courses au supermarché. Next one would be very interesting for fashion lovers. La boutique. La boutique, where you can get some clothes and different accessories for your style. Cette boutique a des vêtements élégants. Cette boutique a des vêtements élégants. This boutique has elegant clothes. Few more important things. La librairie. La librairie means the bookshop, but the interesting thing is it doesn't mean library. Lots of people may think it is a library, but it's not library. The library in French is actually la bibliothèque. La bibliothèque. J'adore passer du temps à la bibliothèque. I love spending time in the bibliothèque, in the library. J'adore passer du temps à la bibliothèque. La poste. La poste, the post office. On va à la poste pour envoyer une lettre. We go to the post office to send a letter. On va à la poste pour envoyer une lettre. L'hôpital. L'hôpital. Quand je suis malade, je vais à l'hôpital. When I'm sick or when I'm ill, I go to hospital. Quand je suis malade, je vais à l'hôpital. La pharmacie. La pharmacie. Nous allons à la pharmacie pour acheter des médicaments. Des médicaments, which means medicines. In the pharmacy, you can get medicines. Apart from that, we can also look forward to like la salle de sport. That means gym. La salle de sport. Je vais à la salle de sport chaque semaine. I go to gym every week. Je vais à la salle de sport chaque semaine. And next one is la piscine. La piscine. That means swimming pool. La piscine. Je vais à la piscine pour nager. Nager is the verb. It's an ER verb, guys. You can conjugate on your own, I guess. So, nager means to swim. Je vais à la piscine pour nager. So, these are some important shops or places that you need to remember which are fixed. And let's have a recap of what we have learned today. Starting from le magasin, which means the shop. Le magasin. Then we came into la boulangerie, the bakery, la boucherie, the butcher shop, l'épicerie, that means the small grocery stores, and le supermarché is the big supermarket. Then we came into la boutique, la librairie, which means the bookshop, la bibliothèque, which is library, l'hôpital, the hospital, la pharmacie, that means the pharmacy, la poste, which means the post office, la piscine, the swimming pool, la salle de sport, gym. La salle de sport. So there you have it, guys. You have got so many important vocabs today, and you have got to know about different shops that you will encounter in France. So If you found this video really helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, because we are going to move forward like this and we are going to finish the whole course of A1, and then we are going to learn French step by step like this. So keep watching my videos, guys. Please wait for our next video. So till then, au revoir.